Jim, let's talk about the retail sector.
Very difficult.
I think since the beginning of the year, every day these stocks have been down. They have massively underperformed. And you've had a number of companies negatively pre-announced, which is the reason as to why they underperformed. But they're starting to get a little bit interesting.
Yeah, I just think that when you see only Macy's do well and then everything else get killed, you'll get to a point where everything's overkilled. Mm-hmm. And I'm starting to see that. And we've got some very good ones. For instance, Nike, I regard that as retail. That's come down a great deal. TJX, that give up yesterday. Finally, someone just said, you know what? TJX is good, but the whole group's going down. Those are often signatures of the end of a decline, not the beginning. When finally someone says, you know what? It doesn't even matter how well they're doing. It always matters how well they're doing. TJX is a winner, not a loser. Yeah. Macy's, I think, can go higher. Nike, I like because Dick's did not say negative things, and Nike has a Chinese component that we think is going to be interesting. Yum, because Brinker wasn't so bad. I have to tell you, Steph, people overly hate a group. And when they do, that's where the opportunity is.
And I think that our names, they're part of secular growth stories long term. Nike, for example, right? Mm-hmm. The lifestyle and the health and the wellness kind of theme. And TJ, people looking for value.
Yeah, that's that new frugality that I talk about and Get Rich Carefully.
That's right. And
so is Costco, which we think is very close.
So this is one that's kind of on our radar screen because we sold it a lot higher. I think kind of 112 makes sense if it gets there. I'm not sure it will. But it certainly is a quality name. These are the times when you want to look at the highest quality companies that get hit with the whole group to be picking at.
And I just want the cautionary note is Starbucks because that is the growth stock in the group. It's pulled back almost 10%. A lot of chatter from very good people, including people who write for Real Money. Real Money Pro, that it's peaked. And if that reports a weak number and the stock doesn't go down, it's game on for many retailers.